Let's go! Guys, padulong kami sa Croc Bar. Mag family day na food. Diba, Papa Kukoy? Yeah, right. Hello guys! Nami sa Croc Park. Sige talaga, nag-unwind.
Sunday family day.
Sunday family day with our Sienna little baby. Sienna Patricia. Nice dali mag-unwind kay nature. Far away from the city. See. So nagdala lami og coffee, tapos kondensada, tapos nagdala mig ice. So nahimo siyang iced coffee.
Wow!
And chicheria para makaon-kaon o magta sa mga sa oval. Mo routine every weekend. Busing-busing na mo ni. Like father, Papa Kukoy, like daughter.
Wow!
Grass. Nagadula. Saying hi, Sienna. Where are you? Where is you? Anong maling grammar. So mag-inom tag coffee guys.
Ibon nga baro lang.
Yummy. Yoo-hoo! Exit. Nagtingin ikaw sa camera? Croc Park. Na. So, mag-walking na ni Sienna. Mag-exercise. Awa guys, daghan kaayo naga jog. Awa guys, daghan kaayo naga picnic gyud diri sa Croc Park. Grabe. Oh, nice kay lahang coffee shop. Mao na nilang coffee shop. Awa nice. Hindot kaayo. Wow. Nice din magtambay. Makita ang nilahang menu.